We'll guide you through how to make all text fit on one page in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by accessing the Windows Start menu on your device. Next, type Google Chrome into the search field and wait for the results to appear. Once you see the application, open the Google Chrome browser on your system. After the browser launches, go to Google Docs by entering it in the address bar and hitting Enter on your keyboard. From the search results or direct page load, click on the link for the official Google Docs website. When a page opens, verify your login to access the Google Docs home feed. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to continue. From the home screen, you may start a blank document or pick an existing document example. For this walkthrough, we will open a project from the Recent Documents section. Your selected document will appear on the screen in the editor view. Scroll down through the document, and you will notice that your pages are separated by visible lines or separators. These lines indicate the boundaries of each page in the default format. To make all text fit on one page without these divisions, you will need to change the document format. Begin by clicking the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear with multiple options related to your document settings. From this menu, scroll down until you find and select Page Setup. After clicking Page Setup, a new dialog box will appear in the center of your screen. This dialog box contains several layout options that you can adjust. Look toward the top right corner of the dialog box and select the Pageless option. This setting removes traditional page boundaries and allows your content to flow continuously. Once you have switched to Pageless mode, click OK to apply the changes. Finally, scroll down through your document again. You will now see that the separators between your document pages have disappeared, creating a continuous layout. This confirms that the Pageless format has been successfully applied, allowing your text to appear in one uninterrupted view for easier reading and editing, especially for longer or more flexible documents and daily tasks. And you can continue editing your document again.